Hi, Lightning Maker crew. This is David, and I'm getting in touch with you because this is the first of many different YouTube videos that I'm going to share with you through Google Classroom. We're going to be learning together and doing Makerspace together, and we're always going to start with a video like this one. So I wanted to start by saying I know this is really hard. It's hard to practice social distancing. It's hard to be alone in an apartment and not be able to go outside. And, it's hard for us too. It's hard for adults and teachers. Everyone's life is different and it's very annoying. But I think as long as we support each other, we're going to be safe and we're going to be able to do some really cool projects. So, how is distance learning going to work for Makerspace CTDF? It's going to work like this. Every class that we do is going to start with a YouTube video like this one of me that you're going to find in Google Classroom. You're going to click on it, you're going to watch it, it's going to show you how to do some things, and it's going to give you an assignment. And you're going to work for an hour. Class lasts for an hour. I'm going to check in with you one-on-one. We're going to meet on Zoom. Zoom is going to be for live meetings video, but I'm only going to meet with one person at a time. Class is going to be twice a week instead of once a week. So we're going to meet on Tuesday afternoon at 1 and Thursday afternoon at 2. We're going to use really cool projects where we're going to use both Tinkercad, online design program you guys have all used, and we're going to use our hands to design things to improve New York City. We're going to design vehicles, we're going to design parks, and we're going to design skyscrapers, things like that. Also, you're going to get a bunch of maker materials coming in the mail from Lorenzo next week in a big package. In about a week from Lorenzo, you're going to get a hot glue gun, you're going to get a canary cutter, you're going to get Sculpey clay, you're going to get markers, you're going to get Legos, you're going to get colored paper and glue sticks, all sorts of cool things that will help us with our design projects for improving New York City. So what are we going to do today? Today we're going to try to set up a really awesome maker area where you can get a lot done in your house. So what I would do if I were you is try to grab a box and try to grab maker materials that are around your house and put them in your work area in an organized way. So I have a box here. I filled it with tape, glue, scissors, pencils, pen, ruler, and basically just stuff that I knew would be useful that's already around my house. After you've done that, I'd like to just take a moment to do a really simple project that I think is super duper fun, which is we're going to design something that we think would improve our lives as we're stuck in our houses. I don't like being stuck in my house. I'm sure you don't like being stuck in your house. It's really boring. And it's hard to get work done when you can't move around and get exercise. So I invented a device, and you're going to do the same thing as I did, which is to draw your device with a pencil. So I invented an exercise desk that combines a desk and an elliptical machine so that I won't go too crazy while I'm stuck inside. And I took a normal piece of paper and a pencil and I drew it. So once you've invented your device to improve your time while we're all trapped at home, I'd like you to go over your drawing with the marker. And if you have colored markers, even better. But try to make it look super neat and super clear so that I can see it clearly. And then take a photo of it and share it with me on Seesaw so that I know that you did it. And I'll check in on Zoom and I'll see how you're doing. And as we move forward with our class, we're going to take on bigger and bigger challenges for building and design. But right now, I figured let's start with something simple and fun and try to get in the spirit of designing stuff that improves our lives. So do your drawing, organize a nice work area, gather all your maker supplies into one spot that's good for you to work with good seating and good light. And that's really enough for today.